So we went away last night and did some research.
Too.
He learnt French.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went away and did some research on this bike and found out it's very hard to get bits in this country. There's not many.
And you'll be
around.
amazed at what you can see on the internet too.
Yes.
Yes.
So we probably got bored and found
Some porn.
our YouTube channel.
Oh.
No. So yes, so we broadened our search to France itself because being French we thought we might find something there. And we did, which is cool. So we've actually found a complete engine that supposedly runs like ours, but no, this one does turn over all right. And some other bits that we needed for the bike to make it well, whole again.
Look more like a motorbike.
Yeah. So we've ordered them. They're going to be here within a week, supposedly, which will be interesting.
Due to Brexit.
Yeah, as they are coming from France, but you never know. It's only 20 miles south, really. So we can't wait to do that. So that'll be the next video. Hopefully we'll have our bits by then. In the meantime, if we need anything, we're going to salvage our old engine. So yeah, it's a waiting game again now. We're good at buying these bikes with the engines having difficulty. So until then, please like and subscribe. Find us on Facebook now.
Yes.
Like, follow, tell your friends, everyone. And au revoir.
Adieu.